We are going to talk about making negative sentences using the past simple tense. So to make a negative sentence in the past simple, first we have the subject, okay, often I, you, he, she, my friend, the dog, the students, etc. And then we have did not or didn't. So did not is the long form and didn't is the short form. Didn't you will use in everyday speaking with friends and family, or even writing emails or text messages to friends and family. Did not you will use maybe for a job application or writing at university, for example. So subject, did not or didn't, and then the verb. So let's look at some examples. We have affirmative sentences here. Affirmative is like a positive sentence. And then we have the negative sentence in the long form, so using did not, and the short form didn't. So let's look at sentence number 1. I looked at my mother. You can see the verb look here has ed. So this is a past simple regular verb. A regular verb in the past simple has ed. In the negative, we have subject I, did not, and then the verb look. But you can see this verb look, in the negative there is no ed. This verb is not in the past simple because the verb did is in the past simple. So the second verb, the main verb here, look, this is not in the past simple. I did not look at my mother, and I didn't look at my mother. So the same for number 2. My brother painted the kitchen. Painted, this verb is a regular verb. It has ed, so a regular past simple verb. In the negative, my brother did not paint the kitchen. So paint, you can see this is not the past simple. There is no ed. So in the negative, this verb is not in the past simple. And my brother didn't paint the kitchen. For number 3 and number 4, these verbs sat and spoke, these are not regular verbs, these are irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not have ed in the past simple. So she sat on the chair. In the negative, she did not sit on the chair. So sat is the past simple, but you need to change this verb in the negative. So sat, but in the negative, sit. The verb sit is not past simple. This is an infinitive verb, or we also say a base verb. In some countries you call it first form. And then the short form she didn't sit on the chair. So changing sat to sit in the negative. And sentence number 4, Lisa and Tony spoke on the phone. So spoke is the past simple. In the negative, Lisa and Tony did not speak on the telephone. So did not is past simple, but this verb here, speak, this is not past simple form. So you need to change spoke in the positive or the affirmative to speak in the negative. Same for this one. Lisa and Tony didn't speak on the telephone. Okay, thank you very much.